Hi guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, this reading is especially for them who are in some or the other spiritual journey. Now this spiritual journey can be a normal one, a twin flame, a soulmate or any other spiritual journey. So let's see what message comes up for you. Okay, take care of your inner peace. You can't serve from an empty cup. So guys, please take care of your inner peace. Maybe you're too much, shaken within yourself from inside because of something coming out, some truths, some stuffs that is happening around you. So you need to maintain that inner peace, because if you are not fulfilled within yourself, if you are not comfortable, balanced within yourself, do you feel you can give the same thing to others, you can reflect the same thing to others? No guys, you will attract all the same thing a lot and lot. So please work on your inner peace. This is the very first message. Let's see second message. Past life healing. So with this card, I feel that currently whatever you are going through, whatever maybe blockages you're facing, this it is all about your past life karma. This is what I would say. So please work on it. Please, I would do karma cleansing. Do karma cleansing, I would say. Do karma cleansing. Do Ho'oponopono prayer if you know about it. It's a great healing prayer where there are only four easy phrases. That is, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And from your bottom of your heart, please say this prayer, guys. This is what I would say. It will really help you. Here, you do not have to go in front of anyone and say all these four phrases and all. No. Sit meditatively, sit silently. Imagine the soul of that person, or imagine whatever blockages you're facing or whatever you're going through. Imagine that particular situation. You don't know, like in past, what you have done in your past life, right? But from your bottom of your heart, just give an intention that I don't know what did I do in that past life because of which currently I'm going through this situation or facing this because of a specific person or lot of people also. But and start saying this prayer. But I genuinely, from bottom of my heart, I am asking for forgiveness, and start chanting this prayer. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. See, the situation will heal, guys. See that. Do this prayer. This is what I would say over here. Thank you.